Let's check out this car show. What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, this car show landed us out here at Morgan Hills in Hunlock Creek, PA for the Tanner Heritage Benefit Show. And if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys won't, when we post videos like this and go to other car shows, because you'll never know where we ended up. But we came out here to support this fella named Tanner, and who suffered some medical conditions. So we're out here doing a little support for him. We're going to take a walk around and check out some of the sweet rides that are here. But like I said, if you're new, check out all the links in the description below. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you guys are interested in looking for a leveling kit or a lift kit, check out skyjacker.com and use discount code wicket_Fabz10 at checkout on their website, and you'll receive an additional savings on that. So I'm glad that I could bring that out to all you guys out there. So what do you say we take a walk around and check out some of the sweet rides that are here? going to finish this show up back here at our tent, and we at the channel Jeep, as you see here behind me. So there was a little walk around in support of the Tanner Heritage Car Show. So like I said earlier, check out the links in the description below. And I hope you guys all like this video. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!